Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a dark circle eye cream using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program. Then we're going to select the Oil and Water Cream build and then click Create. First of all, I'm going to select my humectant and I'm going to go with the propane diol. And next I'm going to select my gum and I'm going to pick the xanthan gum. Next I'm going to pick my emulsifiers. First I'm going to pick my anionic emulsifier and I'm going to go with the glycerol stearate citrate. And then I'm going to pick my non-ionic emulsifier and I'm going to pick the Xylance for its nice skin feel. Next I'm going to select my lipids. I have picked these lipids because they're really nourishing for the skin. Next I'm going to select my preservative and I'm going to go with the Yoxil PE9010 because it is very effective yet mild to the skin. Then I'm going to pick a fragrance to make my cream smell nice and I'm just going to select a few essential oils. Next I'm going to select the most important materials in this formula is my actives. I'm going to select the Dermatide Toning as it firms the skin and it reduces eye bags. Next I'm going to select the Vitamin C as it lightens the skin and under eye bags. Last but not least, I'm going to select my antioxidant and I'm going to select the tocopherol. And then click Generate Method. And here is my formula and here is my method. Now let's go into the lab. And that's how easy it is to create a dark circle eye cream using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed this video today, please give it a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to the createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own formulas this easy. Happy formulating!